Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to discuss home assignment 17, and the first question we are going to discuss, that is question number 9. But first of all, obviously take out your assignments as well as solutions. Right. So the ninth question. There are 5 balls of different colors. So I have 5 balls of different colors. So suppose the first ball is ball A and it is of red color. Ball B, it is of blue color. Ball C, it is of yellow color. Ball D, it is of black color. And ball E, it is of white color. Right? And 5 cartons of colors same as those balls. So A was red ball, right? So that means I would have a red carton. So let that be capital A. Similarly, carton capital B. Similarly, carton capital C. Carton capital D. Carton capital E. Right? These are my balls. These are my cartons. Okay. Now he says, find the number of ways in which the balls, one in each carton. Now be careful. A ball, only one ball can go in the carton. You can't put 2 balls in a single carton. You can't do that. So suppose in carton A, you can only put B or you can put C. Only one ball at a time. Right? Okay. Find the number of ways in which the balls, one in each carton, could be placed so that no ball goes to a carton of its own color. No ball. So that means A carton में A ball नहीं आनी चाहिए, B आ सकती है. Right? Suppose यहाँ पे B. अब B में B नहीं आना चाहिए, उसके अलावा कुछ भी आ सकता है. So कार्टन C में मैं डाल देती हूँ बॉल A. कार्टन C में बॉल C नहीं आनी चाहिए, so मैं बॉल D डाल देती हूँ. Right? कार्टन D में मैं E बॉल डाल देती हूँ and कार्टन E में मैं C बॉल डाल देती हूँ. Right? So in this way, I have made sure that none of the ball goes into the carton of the same color. B went into A went into B, B went into C, E went into D, and C went into E. This is one of the ways of it, right? You need to write the total number of ways. Obviously, you won't write it. You just need to tell me the number. Right? That is the question. So basically, if I want to count such ways, I need to revise some method. How do I count? अब happiness चलेंगे तो issue हो जाएगा. I might lose one case, right? I might forget something. So let's proceed in a very systematic manner. Right? Okay. Now I know that in carton A, I cannot put ball A. Right? Okay. So ball A को डालना है. Ball A को B में डाल देते हैं. Right? Now, I will write all those cases in which ball A goes into carton B. Right? Okay. A को डाल दिया. Now, let's talk about B. अब B को डाल देती हूँ A में. Right? Ball B in carton A. Right? Okay. ये भी डाल दिया. अब, let's talk about C. Now, can I put C in carton C? No, that is problematic because I have put this ball into the carton of the same color. This I cannot do. Right? तो मैं यहाँ पे C नहीं डाल सकती, so that means D डाल देते हैं. Right? In carton C, I have ball D, and here let me put E now. So in carton D, I have ball E. Okay, and मेरे पास कौन सा बच गया C. Now check whether the ball has gone into the carton of not the same color. Check करो. अच्छा B A B D C E D C E. Perfect. इसे check करना easy है. Right? Okay. So I have written one of the ways. Now let's proceed. Now B में अभी मेरे को A डालना है, right? And A में B भी रखना है. Let's see कि इनको shuffle up करके कुछ और मिलता है, right? अब C में मैंने D डाला था, अब E डाल दूँ. अब यहाँ पे E है, so अब D में C डाल देते हैं, right? And E में D डाल देते हैं. Is it valid? I think it is. It is valid, right? Okay. और क्या सोचा? So B A so as it is now. C में E डाल देते हैं and इनको reshuffle कर देते हैं. यहाँ पे D, यहाँ पे C. Now that is problematic because B. This cannot be the way because I have put the ball in the carton of the same color. So this cannot be it. Right? Okay. So B A वाले और कोई बच गया? No, I think I have exhausted it. So B A वाला exhaust कर लिया. Now अब A तो वहीं पे रहेंगे, B की साइड प्लेस चेंज करेंगे. right? First I put D in A, now let's put B in C, right? Okay, now A, B, now here, can I put C? I think I can. Now here, can I put D? Yes. And E is left, that I can put it here. अब check कर लो किसी में गया तो नहीं, यहाँ पे E, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E. Perfect. So none of the balls went into the cartons of the same color. So I made sure of that. Now A, B as it is. Now let's reshuffle this. So D, C. Now this is a problem because D, D. So that means this cannot be it. Okay, so this case cannot be. Now C की जगह अब लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे E. Because B वाला case already exhaust हो चुके हैं, right? Okay. Now what else? E डाल दिया. अब यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं C and यहाँ पे D. Check करो. C, E, D, A. Perfect. Right. Let's think of something else. A, B as it is. Now E as it is. Now let's interchange these two. So यहाँ पे D डाल देते हैं and यहाँ पे E डाल देते हैं. नहीं, C डाल देते हैं. Check करो. C, A, B, B, C, E, D, D, E. Perfect. This is also one of the ways. Oh, nice one. Okay, next. Let's say, अब A, B as it is था. अब यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मैं C डाल चुकी हूँ. D वाला केस बनाने. E वाला केस, D वाला केस क्यों नहीं है ना? हाँ, D वाला पहले ही था. Right. So D नहीं डाल सकता. E वाला केस मैंने exhaust कर दिया. Perfect. So that means मैंने A, B वाला केस exhaust कर लिया. Right. So A as it is. Now पहले B कहाँ था? A में. फिर B कहाँ था? C में. Now let's put B in D. यहाँ पर कर देते हैं. Right. Now let's fill up this one. Next वाली fill up करेंगे. So यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं C, यहाँ पे G, यहाँ पे E. Now is it problematic? Let's see. D, A, E, C, C, E. Perfect. Not problematic at all. Right. So A, B as it is. अब इसकी position fixed है. Now यहाँ पे C की जगह C डाल देते हैं. इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर. यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं D, यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं E. So E, A, D, C, C, E. Perfect. This is also the case. Right? So we have to be careful. Now again, A, B, C, D, E. Now A and B की position fixed थी. A was in B and B was in D. Right? So अब मेरा ये फिक्स हो चुका था. C वाले केसेस एग्जॉस्ट कर लिए. अब in E let's put D. Right? So let's put E over here. Let's put C over here. Now that is problematic because C, C. So इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर दें. यहाँ पे C, यहाँ पे E. Now this can be one of the ways. Right? Okay. Or okay, this can be now next. A, B as it is. Now instead of D in E, let's put E in E. That is problematic because you can put E in E. That is not possible. Right? Okay. So this case is exhausted. A, B से कोई और बन सकता है? No. I think we have exhausted. So A as it is. A in B. Now let's put B in E. B यहाँ पे. B ऐसे चला. पहले A में था, फिर C में आया, then D, now in E. Right? Okay. Now let's start fill up the places. So C यहाँ पे रख देते हैं. D, E. Is it one of the case? Yes. कोई mix नहीं हो रहा? No. Perfect. So A and B are fixed. Now instead of C over here, let's put C as it is. इन दोनों को interchange करते हैं. E and D. Now this is problematic because D and D they are coinciding. No, we don't want it. So instead of C over here, let's put D. Right? So D put कर दिया. यहाँ पे क्या बचा? E and C. Coincide तो नहीं करा? Perfect. नहीं करा. Now let's think of some other way. A and D. अब इन D as it is. Let's interchange these two. So C, E. Now again, C in C. Problematic. So I don't want this case. Right? So instead of D over here, let's put E over here. Right? So that means I'm left with C and D. This cannot be it. Look. Right? So इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर देते हैं. D and C. This can be it because D in C, C in D. Perfect. Right? और कोई केस मिलता है? Let's see. A and B वाले से exhaust हो गए and B वाले सारे exhaust हो गए. Perfect. So that means when I had A, then I had ball A in B. In B, I have exhausted all the cases. Check करें how many cases there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When I put ball A in carton B, I have 11 cases. Right? Next case will be put ball A in carton C and tell me how many cases will I get. Tell me. Can you guess the answer? Actually, you should not guess it. I think you should try to write these cases. It will be a good practice for you. Because next time 6 ho jayenge, 7 ho jayenge. You need to practice all that. Right? So you realize that again I'll get 11 cases. Right? Then, if I put ball A in carton B, how many cases will I get? I get 11 cases. Absolutely right. Then, ball A in carton E, how many cases will I get? I'll get 11 cases. Right? But I am asking you the total number of ways of putting the ball such that what? I will take it from here such that no ball goes to a carton of its own color. How many ways are there? In first case 11, second case 11, third case 11, fourth case 11. Right? So 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 as in 44 ways. There are in total 44 ways of putting balls in the carton such that no ball goes to the carton of its own color. Right? That's it. It's not so good. Alright. So next, that is question number 10. Let's discuss that. Read question number 10. Right. Consider two sets, A and B. Now, A is a set containing 2, 4, 6 and B is a set containing 1, 3, 5 and 7. Alright, find the total number of 4-digit numbers. You need to make 4-digit numbers. Right? That can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Okay. Such that the number should contain exactly one digit from set A. Exactly one. Exactly one digit from set A. And where is it? Exactly 2 digits from set B. Exactly 2 digits from set B. Right? Okay. So I need to count how many 4-digit numbers are there. 4-digit numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? I will get the total number of 4-digit numbers if I can count in how many ways can I fill these 4 places. For 4 places, they give me 4-digit numbers, right? So I need to fill these places. Now, conditions are given. He says that exactly one digit should be from set A, right? Now, set A has 2, 4, 6, exactly one. So suppose मैं इसे लिखती हूँ 2, right? Exactly one. अब exactly 2 digits from set B. 2 digits चाहिए set B से, तो मैंने suppose ले ली 3 and 5. 3 and 5, right? एक मिनट 4 digits बनाना है, right? I got 1 digit from set A, 2 digits from set B, right? Still I need the 4 digits to make up the fourth place. So where will I get the 4 digits from? Obviously I can't take the 4 digits from set A, exactly one. If I take 4 to be here, 2 and 4 both are from set A, and you will say exactly one. So obviously I can't take the 4 digits from set A. Obviously, I can't take this digit from set B itself because exactly 2 digits already are okay. Now he says you need to make the numbers from there using the digits here. Up 2, 4, 6 already involved in set A and 1, 3, 5, 7 already involved in set B. So the remaining digits 8 and 9. From these two digits, you fill up your fourth place. Right? Suppose we need 8. Now this is one such number. Using the digits 2, 3, 5, 8, this is one such number. These digits से ये number भी बनता है 2, 3, 2, 5, 8 या 3, 2, 8, 5 सारे numbers, right? अब ये count करना है. Now first of all, the problem is we don't know which digits we'll take, right? अभी तो selection just keep digits के, so we got 2, 3, 5, 8. Using these 4 digits, we can make more numbers, obviously. Right? We can arrange these numbers to get the 4-digit numbers. So how shall I proceed? 2 steps involved. First of all, selection. You need to select which digit. Which digit I'll select from A, which digit I'll select from B, and which digit I'll select from these two. Now, once you select these digits, then you can arrange them to get the 4-digit numbers. Like I did. Right? Obviously, there will be more cases. So 2 steps. First selection, second is arrangement. Right? So you understand how are we going to proceed here? That's absolutely easy. Basic common sense. Now let's proceed. Now first, we are interested in selecting the digits. Select it and then we can arrange it, not a big deal. Now selecting. Now set A. Exactly 1 digit. So either I can have 2. Or I can have 4, or I can have 6. Right? Then exactly 2 digits you set B. Okay. Now suppose set A से मैंने 2 ले लिया. Right? अब set B से 2 और ले लिया. अब कैसे ले सकते हैं? या तो मैं 1 3 ले लूँ. Right? और 1 5, और 1 7, और 3 5, 3 7, और 5 7. Right? So my selection is something like set A से मैंने 2 लिया, then 1 3 set B से, so 2 1 3, 2 1 5, 2 1 7, 2 3 5, 2 3 7, 2 5 7. I have just selected the digits. Oh, I have just selected 3 digits. I need to select the 4th one yet. 4th one भी तो select करनी है. अब 4th one, 8 and 9. Right? Now let's come to here. अब 1 3 के साथ जब सिलेक्ट किया तुमने, राइट? यहाँ पे 8 भी आ सकता है, 9 भी आ सकता है. Digits 2 1 3 8, 2 1 3 9, then 2 1 5 8, 2 1 5 9, 2 1 7 8, 2 1 7 9. Right? Similarly, you can iterate that. Right? So, if I take 2, how many cases will I have? How many cases of selection of 4 digits? So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? That means I have 12 selections of 4 digits from here. Right? From here, how many selections will I get? Again, you have selected 4. That means from the second one, I can have 1 3, 1 5, 1 7, 3 5, 3 7, 5 7. Right? Now 4 digits again 8 9, 8 9, 8 9. So can you tell me how many selections will be there? There will be 12 such selections. From here, again 12 such selections. Right? So how many total selections can happen? Total selections. Either I can have this, or this, or this. Mutually exclusive, right? That means total number of selections I have 12 plus 12 plus 12. Right? Okay. So 36. Industry 36. Right. Now I have just selected the digits. Now I need to find the numbers. Now suppose I selected the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. 2, 3, 7, 8. Right? I have selected this case. 2, 3, 7, 8. This case. Select all of it. Right? Now these digits are there. I need to form 4 digit numbers. How many 4 digit numbers can I form using these digits? Now careful, no zero is there. So that means in how many ways can I fill the first place? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 choices. So 4 ways. Right? In how many ways can I fill this place? So suppose मैंने 3 रख दिया था, how many choices? 3 choices, right? This place 2 choices, this place just 1 choice. Now corresponding to each choice, I have 3 choices, so into. Corresponding to this choice, I have 2 choices, so into. Corresponding to each choice over here, I have a single choice, so into. Right? So if I take one case from here, how many numbers can I form? 12 into 2, that is 24, right? Okay. Now from each case, I can get 24 different numbers. From each case from here. How many cases these are? 36. Right? From each case, I am getting 24. So from 36, how many numbers will I get? I get 36 into 24. Which you can find out. And where is the answer? Which question is this? 10th question. Okay, answer try करें. नहीं तुम खुद try करो. Answer turns out to be 864. Let's try. Let's see what happens. So 36 into 25. वो भी नहीं आता होगा ना हमें तो नहीं. Oh what? Okay, 36 into 25. So that is 6 square into 5 square, so 900, right? 900 or 900 minus 36. So that is 854. Yeah, that makes sense. So we could have calculated like that. Or you could have just multiplied. One of the same thing. Okay, so answer is 864. So this question was quite interesting. First, you needed to select the digits. Then you needed to arrange those digits. So whenever you encounter a problem, divide it. पहले selection तो करो, फिर arrange करो. Don't try to mix it up. This is art of counting. So you need to know how to divide your problem into simpler parts. Right? Okay. So now the next question is question number 11, which is quite interesting again. So read it please. Read question number 11. Question number 11. Right. Now, he says, consider the collection X, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 54. Right? Find the number of ordered triplets. A, B, C. Ordered triplets. That means ordering will matter. 1, 2, 3 is different from 3 to 1. Ordering matters. We know this, right? Yes. So we need to find the number of ordered triplets. Okay. Ordered triplets such that. Now conditions A, B, C. All 3 belongs to the collection X. That means A can be one of the digits. It can be 3. B can be 4. C can be 48. Right? Okay. And another condition is there. A is less than B and A is less than C. Okay. So this condition also needs to be satisfied. Now A less than B. Suppose मैंने A को रख लिया 1. Right? Now A is less than B. That means B cannot be 1 now. Right? B can be 2, 3, 4, so on till 50. But it cannot be 1. So suppose मैंने B को रख लेती हूँ 3. Right? A is less than C, so C has to be greater, right? So if A is 1, C cannot be 1 again, so be careful. So C can be 2, 3, 4, so on till 50. So let C be 5. Right? For example, suppose I have put A as 10. Right? So B can be 11, it can be 12, it can be 13, so on till 50. Right? So B, let's take it to be 25. Right? Then A less than C. The C can be 11, 12, 13, so on till 50. So let C be 12. Right? So this is another one of the ordered triplets which satisfy the condition. Right? We need to find how many these are. Okay, we need to find the number of these. Okay, let's see. Now, order triplets. Ordering matters. So, ordering matters, तो एक वे से start करना शुरू करते हैं. Let's talk about A first. Now, suppose A is 1. A can be 2, A can be 3, A can be 50. Can A be 50? We will discuss that at the end. Can A be 50 or not? Now, suppose A is 1. अब B क्या क्या हो सकता है? B cannot be 1. It can be 2, 3, 4, so until 50. Right? Similarly, C can be 2, 3, 4, so until 50. Now, if we want to find the ordered pair A, B, C, basically I need to fill these three places. Ordering matters. I need to fill this first place. Now, I will make sure that the first place is 1. So, in how many ways can I fill this place? Just one way. So, the one will say 1 minute. Right? So, just one way. Now, let's talk about the second place, which is the B1. Now, B can be, how many possibilities are there? It can be 2, 3, 4, 4 until 50. How many possibilities? There are 49 possibilities. 1 to 50, 50 होता है, 2 to 50, 49 आएगा. We understand. Cool. Right. Now, let's fill up this place, the third place, which is occupied by C. Now, C can be 2, 3, 4, so until 50. Again, how many possibilities? There are 49 possibilities. Right? Now, corresponding to each choice over here, I have 49 choices. Right? So, into. Corresponding to each choice over here, I have 49 choices. Right? So, into. So, how many total choices do I have? How many total ordered pairs, ordered triplets, I should say, I have? That is 1 into 49 into 49, or I can say 49 square. Right? Okay. Now, let's put A as 2. When A is 2. Again, I need to fill up the places. Right? When A is 2, can you tell me the possible values of B? Can B be 2? No, it can't be 2. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, so on till 50. Similarly, C can be 3, 4, 5, so on till 50. Right? Okay, so A to the 2 here. Now, second place, that is the possibilities for B. How many possibilities are there? Now, I have 48 possibilities. Right? 3 to 50, that is 48. Right? Similarly, for this, how many possibilities? I have 48. Again. और first को मैंने बांधे नहीं फिर किया था. Okay. Now, corresponding to each choice over here, I have 48 choices. So, into. Corresponding to each choice over here, I have 48 choices. So, into. So, how many total possibilities are there? Or how many total ordered triplets are there? 48 squares. Okay, done. Now, let's talk about A is equal to 3. Now, B can take the value 4, 5, so on till 50. And C can take the value 4, 5, so on till 50. Again, ordered triplets fill up करने हैं. Ordered places fill करने हैं. Now, first way to do, one way, because 3 डाल चुके हैं. Right? B, how many possibilities I have? Now, I have 47. And for C, I have 47 choices. Now, corresponding into. That means total choices 47 square. 49 square, 48 square, 47 square. Let's see what's happening. So it will keep on. अब A कहाँ तक जा सकता है? We have to be careful about that. Can A be 50? That was the question that I asked before. Can A be 50? Now, if A is 50, what will be the possible values of B? Careful. You can't say it is 51. It is out of the set. It is out of the collection. Right? So, A 50 तो नहीं हो सकता. So, 49 हो सकता है? Yeah, 49 can be there. Because then I can put B as 50. And C also as 50. Right? Fill up करें. So, again. So, of course one way, of course one way, of course one way. So, into that is 1 square. Right? 49 square, 48 square, 47 square. So, until 1 square. अब तुम बोलोगे मैम इससे पहले 2 स्क्वायर था या नहीं? चेक कर लो. आई एम श्योर वो 2 स्क्वायर ही आएगा. राइट? ओके. सो आई नीड टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्ड ट्रिपलेट्स. राइट? फर्स्ट केस से कितने मिले? 49 स्क्वायर. सेकंड केस से 48 स्क्वायर. देन 47 square, then so on till 1 square. So total number of ordered triplets, that is 49 square plus 48 square plus 47 square plus so on till 1 square. If you want to find the answer, you just need to evaluate this. It's not a big deal. 1 square 1 होता है, 2 square 4 होता है, 3 square 9 होता है, सारी quantities लिखो, add them up. 49 terms is one. Square करना और add करना. I'm sure you can do it. Not a big deal. Hurry up. Just add them up and you will get the answer. Come on, I'm serious about it. 49 terms लिखो, उनको add कर दो. It will not take much time. Now, honestly, it will not take more than 10 minutes. That's what I think. But since we people are lazy, obviously we need a better method. Alright, so I need to evaluate this. 50 square कहाँ से आ गया? 49 square तक था. Okay, यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं plus 48 square. Right, I need to evaluate this. So the thing is, as I said, one way is to just add them directly. That is the good enough method. It will hardly take you, I would say, 10 to 15 minutes. वो भी add हो जाएगा, not a big deal. कुछ नहीं आता, लिख के कर लेना, not a big deal. Right? But since we are doing the art of counting, so let's count without actually counting. Right? Now square quantities are in 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So first thing that comes to my mind, obviously this term will come in 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 49 whole square. Right? This quantity will definitely come from 1. But the thing is, there will be some additional quantity as well. Additional quantity का sum निकालना is also not that easy. इसका separately sum निकालना problematic. What else can I think of? I need to count without actually counting. So I need to have a better method. I need to think of something such that 1 square, 2 square, plus 3 square, plus 49 square. These things get involved. Consecutive squares of natural numbers get involved. And some of you might know the formula as it is, which I absolutely hate because I don't understand why do you learn the formulas. But yeah. जिनको नहीं आता, please use your brain. Yeah. Okay. What else can we think of? ये terms आने चाहिए कैसे आएंगे? Okay. What I'll do is I will try to write an identity myself. एक identity लिखती हूँ मैं मान लें. X plus 1 whole cube minus x cube. This will be equal to. Come on, open this up and minus x cube. Open this up. This will turn out to be 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now you must be wondering why all of a sudden I have written this identity. We were trying to evaluate this. And suddenly we identity algebra. Polynomials. No, not polynomials. Yeah, polynomial identity. Why I have written this? Just look at this and look at this identity. Can you figure out why I wrote this? Just figure out what can possibly be the reason. Done? So clear? Now let's discuss it. Now this is an identity. That means it is true for each and every value of x. Will it be x equal to 1? Will it be true for x equal to 1? It should be. So put x equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2 cube minus 1 cube equal to 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay. Now do you think this will hold for x equal to 2? Absolutely yes. So 2 plus 1 whole cube, that is 3 cube minus 2 cube equal to 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 1. Okay, will it be true for x equal to 3? Absolutely right. So 3 plus 1, that is 4 cube minus 3 cube equal to 3 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 plus 1. right? Okay, and so on. Now, do you think it will be true for x equal to 49? Absolutely, it should be. So, 49 plus 1, that is 50 cube, minus 49 cube, equal to 3 into 49 square, plus 3 into 49 plus 1. Oh, yeah. Now tell me, what should I do? I think it is quite clear. मुझे क्या चाहिए था? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 on plus 49 square. Now 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on till 49 square. So I have these terms over here, and I need the addition sign. So what I can do is I can add all these equations. Identity? You will say, yeah, I will add all of these equations. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So add them. So let the right hand side add them. Right hand side, as on this side. So 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 3 square. Obviously 3 यहाँ पे सबके लिए common है, right? So 3 common. I'll be left with 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on till 49 square. Right? Plus. Now 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 and 3 into 49. So again 3 common. Plus 3 into 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till 49. Plus, अब 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now, 1 कितने बार आ रहे हैं? कैसे काम करें? अच्छा, मार्केट नहीं करें. अब how many equations देखने हैं ना? 1 cube से लेके 49 cube तक. So 1 कितने टाइम आना चाहिए? 49. So that is plus 49. Right hand side लिखिए. On left hand side, just look at the beauty of the left hand side. Now, when I add them up, 2 cube minus 2 cube, cancel. 3 cube minus 3 cube, cancel. 4 cube, यहाँ पे minus 4 cube, cancel. Then 5 cube minus 5 cube. अब यहाँ पे 49 cube से पहले वाली term लिखिए. 49 cube minus 48 cube. Right? तो यहाँ पे ये cancel. Right? All of these terms are getting cancelled. कौन से बच गए? 50 cube बच गए. 50 cube. And एक और बच हाँ minus 1 cube. That's the beauty of left hand side. These get cancelled. So left hand side is 50 cube minus 1 cube. I think now you understand why I wrote this specific identity. Just look at it. Why did these terms get cancelled? X plus 1, x. Consecutiveness is there. Consecutiveness is there, right? यहाँ पे आ रहा है same चीज, यहाँ पे आ रही है with the opposite sign. So that's why when I add them up, these get cancelled. That's why I wrote this identity, because I wanted to utilize the consecutiveness of the numbers, right? Also, मुझे squared quantities चाहिए थे, उनका sum चाहिए था, so that's why x squared has to be present there. Now consecutiveness, squared quantity, definitely this is the identity that I can use. Right? Oh, अभी भी आंसर नहीं निकाला हमने. अब 50 क्यों पता होता है सबको? That is 1, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. So that is 1, 2, 4, 9, 9. 1, 2, 4, 9, 9. कितने लाइन था? हाँ, triple 9 1 था. हाँ. Well, let's hope for that. Yeah. Okay. So this is equal to 3 into. अब यही तो निकालना है 1 square plus 2 square plus so on till 49 square plus 3 into. Now 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on till 49. This I know. Sum of first n natural numbers. That is n into n plus 1 by 2. So sum of first 49 natural numbers. That is 49 into 49 plus 1, that is 50 by 2 plus 49. Right? So obviously this is 25. अब ये value put करो, transpose करो, and you will get the value of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on till 49 square, which will turn out to be Which question is this? This question is 11, which will turn out to be this 40,425. Right? Now, in this question, there was a very interesting thing, that was the use of this identity to evaluate this sum. Now, this sum was nice. Again, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Consecutiveness of the natural numbers, I utilized it like this. Right? Now, people who are more curious than that, I would say try to evaluate this sum. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on till 100 cube. Try to evaluate this sum. And people who are even more curious, then they should calculate this one. 1 raised to the power 4 plus 2 raised to the power 4 plus 3 raised to the power 4 plus so on till 100 raised to the power 4. And if you evaluate this, please WhatsApp me your answer and we'll check whether that is right or not. I'm sure you'll get it right. So that is the answer of our question.